guest, and I have definitely been given a room for a solo traveler. It's small, it's cozy, but I'm here for 48 hours, so it will work. I am using London as my gateway to the rest of Europe, so I do have some exciting accommodation and exciting destinations coming up, so I'm looking forward to that. But right now I'm going to go and jump on a toot bus and see all the sights of the city, all the landmarks, and I will also head into Chinatown, grab some dumplings, and I will also spend the night some time down in Soho. So come along with me for the next 48 hours. Let's have some fun and let's go.